Good morning, and this is my recording for the January 10. It's currently dark because my PC is turned off, or my personal computer, and it's, let me check that time, 8:56. So I have an hour before I go to sleep. So I'll just be reading, or I'll just let the time pass and not use my computer, because I realize one thing is that my computer is distraction for me to set my body to sleep. So that's why won't use it. But today I did play games, watch some video, but I didn't manage to do two things. So I didn't manage to watch the Excel, and I didn't manage to do my calisthenics. So I regret, not really much regret it, but I'm thinking of doing or focusing on that later on my day off. But right now I don't have anything to say to myself. It's just that I have time playing with the controller, because back when we were kids we were so poor that we didn't have even television. But right now I do have my PC as well as my controller, so I did take advantage of the day off to do that. So my next day off should be me focusing on the task that I want to do. Not the task, I don't want to think it as a task, but me learning things. I just want to have fun learning. So I did try to learn how to use a controller today, and for the next shift I'm gonna do my Excel, because I've done that on my previous, but I didn't manage to do my calisthenics. So I think I'm gonna do my calisthenic first, so in case I didn't do, or I just have little time to do my Excel, I still um priori- prioritize one thing. So last rest day is the Excel. This day is for the learning how to use controller, and tomorrow or the next rest should be the calisthenics. But I do my gym when I go to work, so it's not that I didn't stop, or I did stop to do my workout, but it's just that I want to focus on calisthenics this year for the 2026. And that's all. Goodbye.